What's up, guys? Dirty Mike from Dirty Mike Crypto back with another Y-5 chart review video for the day. It's been a pretty eventful day. We started last night around midnight with the price manipulation that we all had to deal with. I made a video about that earlier, so if you want to go check that out, you can kind of find out what happened with that. But long story short, a bunch of people were trying to manipulate the price for their own benefit at our expense by forcing contract sells. We're not going to get too much into that with this video. As I said, I made a video about that. But we're going to just look at the last 12 hours and kind of see where we've been at. Once we bottomed out, we started to recover, and about noon today, we started going back up towards the top of our range today. We got almost back up to the 300, that 300 threshold that's really been bugging us the last few days. So once we got up there, we really kind of traded sideways for most of the day. Until tonight, we took another pretty sharp decline down, and we're hovering a little bit under the 2,800 range. So, this 300 mark is definitely a pretty big resistance for us at this point right now. So hopefully the devs have gotten the problems under control, and we can start to push this back up, definitely. If we go take a look at the coin market cap for today, we can kind of see some of the volume. It has us at about 2 million volume for the last 24 hours. However, especially in the last 12 hours, it kind of seems like it's been a lot less than that. Today just doesn't have, the same feel as we've been having with volume going. So, a lot of that probably has to do with the weekend. People are out doing things. I know there's a lot of bad weather, going on. So, in the United States especially. So, we could probably attribute, some of that to that. We still are under the $30 million market cap. That's hopefully something that we can, push through in the next couple days. If we look a little bit further out, though, this isn't the complete history of when it got launched, but this is since it's been live on CoinMarketCap with the correct information. And, we pretty much have traded sideways except for that one big spike where we almost got up to the 500 barrier. We couldn't quite break through that. And, ever since then, we've kind of dropped down a little bit. And, we pretty much are at about the same point right now as we were on the 10th when the information was correct on CoinMarketCap. So, for the last 5-6 days, we've pretty much traded sideways. So after that big initial run that we got upon launch, where a lot of people made 5, 6, 10 times their money, it seems like we're kind of trading sideways at this point and, looking for a catalyst. That could come in the form of an AMA that, I think a lot of people have been asking for and would like to see at this point to, kind of address some of the issues that went on. I know Bradley put out a really good post today about what they were kind of doing and how they were going to combat some of these price manipulation issues. But, I think a formal AMA would be pretty useful for us, hopefully next weekend, so we can kind of get our questions. I've been hearing a lot of questions about reflections declining as well. So, that's definitely something we might want to address, sooner rather than later so FUD doesn't start to creep in. I don't know if I'm going to have power tomorrow. We're expecting a really bad ice storm. So, this might be the last video I get out for the next day and a half. But I wanted to get this out to you late tonight. And other than that, that's all I got for tonight, guys. Thank you for your continued support. Make sure you smash the like button and subscribe, hit notifications so you can be told when the next video will be coming out. I appreciate all the support. Everybody have a safe weekend, and I'll talk with you guys soon. Thank you.